Present Simple Interrogative Quiz. Make the question. Change this present simple sentence into a question. There are 5 questions, and I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. You play games every night. The correct answer is, do you play games every night? Number 2. He works in an office. The correct answer is, does he work in an office? They clean every day. The correct answer is, do they clean every day? She lives near the beach. The correct answer is, does she live near the beach? And finally, it always stays in the cage. The correct answer is, does it always stay in the cage? Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.